Click on the gear icon next to your project name to access the settings. Here you can adjust everything you need to match your needs.
In the keywords section, you can add more keywords or adjust the ones you've already set. You can also use required and excluded words for each keyword. These don't count towards your keyword limit, so you can add as many as you like to filter out irrelevant mentions.
If you need extra help, your Customer Success Manager can assist with optimization. Next, you can adjust the language settings. If you decide to switch to a specific language, your project will only collect new mentions in that language. Keep in mind that this setting doesn't apply retroactively, so you won't see past mentions in the newly selected language, and will lose current if it wasn't restricted. Now, let's move to the Sources tab. Here, you can choose which platforms you want to track.
If you're focused on social media, for example, you might want to monitor only social mentions and turn off other sources like blogs or news sites. Simply untick the sources you don't need and we'll stop collecting mentions from them. This keeps your feed clean.
Another way to refine your results is by blocking specific authors or websites. If you keep seeing irrelevant mentions, you can block them directly from the Mentions tab.
Just click More Actions on a mention and choose whether to block the author or the entire website. If you change your mind, you can always unblock them later in the Sources tab in the project settings. Finally, head over to the Additional Sources tab if you want to track specific review sites, Telegram channels, or TikTok profiles. Mind you, Brand24 follows platform privacy policies, so we can't monitor private profiles or channels.